Hi class, for this video we're actually going to be doing two problems in one, and the reason that we're doing that is because both 324 and 325 use the same sort of pedigree in doing the problem. So 324 says in the following pedigrees, determine whether the trait is more likely to be due to a dominant or recessive allele, assume the trait is rare in the population. So in A, in pedigree A, we see the two individuals that are affected, 4-3 and 4-5, both have parents that are not affected. That's the sort of telltale sign that the condition is due to recessive alleles. In B, you see that the condition is in each generation and that each individual has a parent that also has the trait. That's the signature of a dominant allele. Okay, then in 325, we're just looking at the dominant allele here in pedigree B, and it says a mating between 3-1 and 3-2. In a mating between those two, what is the probability that the offspring is going to have the condition? So we know since it's dominant, 3-1 is little a, and 3-2 has a parent with it or parent without it. That means that the genotype is big A, little a. You do a big A, little a crossing with a, little a, and half of the offspring have the condition, or half of the heterozygous big A, little a. Okay, for the second part, 4-2 down to this generation, and 4-3, you can just look at those and see that neither of them have the trait, right? Because if they had it, it would show up. So they don't have that dominant allele. You're not necessarily, you can't be a carrier of that dominant allele. It's if you have that allele, you have the condition, right? So I guess in a sense, that's kind of a carrier, but you can't be a hidden carrier, right? So that means both of those genotypes are little a, so there's no probability. The probability is 0, no possibility that they can have an offspring with that trait.